Hello dear children, welcome to today's maths class. We have been learning part 1 of unit 1. Do you remember? The fish tail. Now we'll move to part 2. Now take out your textbook, page number 2. Fishes can have very different sizes, isn't it? The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. See, this is the image of a very tiny fish which is just 1 centimeter long. Isn't it very small? But some fish are very big. How long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? You have to just make a guess and write in the dash. How many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? Suppose if the fish that you have seen is 10 meters long, then it will be how much? 1000 centimeter bigger than the tiny fish, isn't it? The biggest fish is the whale shark. See, this is the whale shark. It is also called as Rhyncodon typus. It is actually not a whale but a big fish. Fishes are different from whales. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to babies. They are mammals, but fish lay eggs. The shark whale fish looks big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. It does not attack humans. Okay? See this. One whale shark was as long as 18 meters. Just think how long that is. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, whereas 18 meters will be equal to 1800 centimeters long. It is almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. Okay, you just imagine in this way. 12 children of length 150 centimeter each standing on one top of the other. This will be equal to the length of whale shark. It is really very lengthy. It is very big. And guess what it weighed? Now what is it weight? Do you know? Well, it is much more than what 12 of you put together. The weight is much more. Now first tell me, what is your weight? So that you have to write in the first dash. Suppose if it is 30 kg, you have to write there 30 kg. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about. So 12 children of 30 kg will be equal to how much? That you have to calculate and write in the dash. This way. 12 into 30 kg gives us 360 kg. Okay, this is the weight of 12 children. About how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? Now what we have to do? We have to find the difference between the weight of whale shark and the weight of 12 children like you put together. We know the weight of whale shark is 16,000 kg and 12 children weigh 360 kg. To find the difference, we have to do the subtraction and we get the answer 15,640 kg. That you write in the third dash. Okay? This way you have to write. Now see the next heading, the fish tail. To see the difference between whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tail stands flat along its body? But the tail of the whale almost look like two legs. Can you spot the fish in the picture? Easily we can make out which is the fish and which are the whales. Okay, by looking at their tails. Now see the next heading, schools of fish. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups. These groups are called schools of fish. In their school, they feel safe from the bigger fish. Isn't it? Do you feel safe in your school? Yes, of course. When you are there in the school, you will be with your friends and you feel safe when you are in a group. You like to play together, you like to sit together and learn. Every activity that you do in school, you enjoy with your friends. See here are some images of schools of fish. How beautifully they move together to protect themselves from other bigger fish. Now, to scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. Isn't it very funny, children? You can look at the image given in page number 4. How they swallow the water and try to look big to scare away the other big fish. See, they are so smart. Now look at Jinsey. Jinsey used these shapes and tried to make beautiful drawings of sea animals. Here in page number 4 and page number 5 you can see some sea animals. You have already seen some of them. Like you have seen a crab, octopus, isn't it? So which of these sea animals have you seen before? Tick them. Okay? Thank you, children. Bye.